Hi, welcome to the new episode of the SEO series. As you know, my name is Zahiruddin Kurum and I am professional SEO. You can easily find me by just typing my name in the search bar or visiting my website Daily Niche Times, or find me on Fiverr. My Fiverr profile SEO Kurum222. Send me an email for any inquiries. I would love to work for you because I know what you are looking for. Let's come to the topic of the video. How to quickly fix search engine algorithm issues. If your website has been hit by a Google penalty or algorithm update, it can be a very scary experience. You may see your rankings and traffic drop suddenly, with no clear explanation why. The first thing you need to do is stay calm and assess the situation. In most cases, there's a way to fix the issue and get your website back on track. In this video, we will go over how to quickly fix search engine algorithm issues. We will cover the most common causes of algorithm penalties and how to fix them. By the end of this post, you should have a good understanding of how to troubleshoot and fix algorithm issues on your website. How to quickly fix search engine algorithm issues. As a business owner, it's important to stay up to date on the latest search engine algorithms. After all, these algos can make or break your online visibility. But what do you do if you're suddenly hit with a drop in traffic or rankings? In this topic, we'll give you a quick rundown of how to quickly fix common algorithm issues. First, take a look at your website's traffic data. If you see a sudden drop in traffic, you've likely been hit by an algorithm change. To fix this, you'll need to identify the specific algos that have been affected and make the necessary changes to your site. This can be a time-consuming process, but it's crucial to get it right if you want to maintain your traffic and rankings. Once you've made the necessary changes, it's important to keep an eye on your traffic data. This will help you identify any future algorithm changes and make the necessary changes to your site. Why these changes are made. Every time a change is made to a search engine's algorithm, there is potential for widespread panic among SEOs. This is especially true when the change is major, such as the Google Medic update that took place in August 2018. While it's important to stay up to date on the latest algorithm changes, it's equally important not to overreact. In most cases, the changes are made to improve the user experience. Google, Bing, and other search engines want to provide their users with the best possible results, so they are constantly tweaking their algorithms to ensure that they are delivering the most relevant and useful results. That being said, some algorithm changes can have a major impact on your site's traffic. If you do see a significant drop in traffic after an algorithm update, it's important to take a closer look at your site to see if any areas need to be improved. Here are a few tips to help you recover from a Google algorithm update. 1. Review your site's content. If your site's traffic has decreased after an algorithm update, it's a good idea to take a closer look at your site's content. Make sure that all of your content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. Remove any low quality or irrelevant content from your site, and add new, high quality content regularly. 2. Optimize your site for mobile. Mobile friendliness is a major ranking factor, so if your site is not optimized for mobile, it could be taking a hit in the search results. Make sure your site is responsive and that all of your content is easy to read and navigate on a mobile device. 3. Improve your site's speed. Site speed is another major ranking factor, and if your site is slow, it can hurt your search engine visibility. Use tools like Google's Page Speed Insights to test your site's speed and get recommendations for improvements. 4. Optimize your site for voice search. Voice search is on the rise, and it's important to make sure your site is optimized for this growing trend. Optimize your content for long-tail keywords and natural language phrases to improve your chances of ranking in voice search results. 5. Promote your content. In addition to creating high-quality content, you also need to promote it if you want it to rank high in the search results. Share your content on social media, send it to your email list, and reach out to influencers to get the word out. If your site's traffic has taken a hit after an algorithm update, follow these tips to get things back on track. the tools available to help you fix these issues. When a website is affected by a change in a search engine's algorithm, it can be a frustrating and challenging time for the site's owner. Thankfully, there are several tools available that can help you quickly fix these issues. We'll give you a rundown of some of the most effective tools for addressing search engine algorithm issues. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently fix any algorithm issues that come up, keeping your site ranking high in the search engines. There are many tools available to help you fix search engine algorithm issues. However, not all tools are created equal. We will show you how to quickly fix search engine algorithm issues using the right tools. There are two main types of tools that you can use to fix search engine algorithm issues: on-page optimization tools and off-page optimization tools. On-page optimization tools help you optimize your website for search engines. These tools help you identify and fix issues on your website that are preventing it from ranking higher in the search results. Off-page optimization tools help you promote your website to search engines. These tools help you build links and create content that will help your website rank higher in the search results. Both on-page and off-page optimization tools are important for fixing search engine algorithm issues and driving traffic to your website. The benefits of fixing these issues. We all know that staying up to date with the algorithms of the top search engines is crucial for any website trying to rank high in SERPs. Google, in particular, is known for frequently updating its algorithms, which can often result in websites seeing a drop in their rankings. While it can be frustrating to see your website's ranking drop, it's important to remember that there are usually benefits to be gained from fixing the issues that caused the drop. We'll explore some of the benefits you can experience by quickly fixing search engine algorithm issues. One of the most obvious benefits of fixing search engine algorithm issues is that you can regain any ranking you may have lost. This is especially beneficial if you've lost ranking for high-traffic keywords, as you can expect to see a corresponding drop in traffic. By fixing the issues and re-establishing your keywords ranking, you can immediately regain any traffic you have lost. In addition to regaining any traffic you may have lost, fixing algorithm issues can also keep you from losing traffic in the future. Problems with how search engines view your website can adversely affect the way they rank your website in the future. By fixing algorithm issues as they arise, you can keep your website's ranking from being negatively impacted in the future. If you are involved in an industry or vertical that is growing in popularity, another benefit of fixing algorithm issues is that it can help you move up in the search engine rankings. As more and more people become interested in your industry or vertical, the number of searches being done for relevant keywords is likely to increase. By fixing algorithm issues, you can improve your website's ranking and maintain your position as a leading source of information about your industry or niche. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, fixing algorithm issues can also have a positive impact on the overall appearance of your website. If your website is not ranking as well as it could be, fixing algorithm issues can help you improve the layout of your website and make it more user-friendly. This can also lead to more traffic and more customers. When you improve the appearance of your website, you improve your chances of being found by potential customers and clients. By making your website more user-friendly and easy to find, you can increase the likelihood that visitors will stay on your website longer and eventually make a purchase. Improving the appearance of your website is not the only benefit of fixing algorithm issues, but it can be one of the most rewarding. To summarize, fixing algorithm issues can help your website improve in several ways. It can improve your website's ranking, improve the appearance of your website, and improve the overall presentation of your website. Fixing algorithm issues is often the easiest part of search engine optimization. The hardest part of optimizing your website for better search engine rankings is keeping up with the constant changes in search engine algorithms. Thankfully, there are many different ways to keep up to date with how search engines are changing their algorithms. The impact of not fixing these issues. Google's core updates are designed to improve their search engine algorithms so that only the best quality sites rank highly. Webmasters and SEOs who don't make the effort to improve their sites according to the new standards will likely find their sites penalized in the SERPs. The main goal of these updates is to provide searchers with the best possible experience, and webmasters who don't make an effort to improve their sites will be missing out on valuable organic traffic. Several common issues can trigger a penguin or panda penalty, and many of them can be fixed quickly and easily. Below are some of the most common panda and penguin issues, along with tips on how to fix them. 1. Low-quality content. One of the most common issues that can trigger a penguin penalty is low-quality content. Google's algorithms are designed to reward websites with high-quality, informative, and original content. Websites that publish thin or low-quality content are less likely to rank well in search results. If you think low-quality content might be the issue, start by auditing your website's content. Remove any pages or posts that are thin, duplicate, or otherwise low quality. If you don't have time to create new content, you can also try adding more content to existing pages and posts. For example, if you have a page with just a few sentences of text, try adding a few hundred words of additional content. 2. Excessive keyword stuffing. Another common issue that can trigger a penguin penalty is keyword stuffing. Google's algorithms are designed to detect and penalize websites that stuff their content with too many keywords. Keyword stuffing makes your content hard to read and can make your website look spammy to Google. If you think excessive keyword stuffing might be an issue on your website, you can check your organic search traffic in Google Analytics to look for any sudden decline. 3. Content being scraped from your website. Content scraping is a content theft approach where people image search on Google and then republish your content to their website without your permission. Content scraping doesn't only cause problems for your website in terms of lost traffic and traffic dilution from duplicate content, but it can also trigger a penguin penalty. Content scraping can affect your website in these ways. Google might show your competitors' Google My Business in the local pack instead of yours. Google will punish your website by disqualifying your website from being contended for related rankings as a result of Google thinking your website is just another copycat that only stole the content. You can lose out on organic traffic because Google might not consider your website as the original source of the content and instead direct people to websites that Google considers the original source of your article. The best way to check if your website is getting duplicate content is by sending your website URL to https://developers.google.com/search/docs/data-types/article and https://structured-data/testing-tool/use/0/#sign URL equals the above tools help you detect duplication of your website content. Optimize your website for mobile users. Did you know that around 53% of global web traffic is from a mobile device? It is important to by optimizing your website for mobile devices. If you are optimizing your website for search engine ranking only, you will be missing out on long-tail SEO traffic that comes from voice search. 2021, voice search will generate around 144 billion long-tail traffic by the end of 2021. This is expected to reach 127.5 billion monthly voice searches by the end of 2025. With the global mobile voice search traffic booming, your website needs to be optimized for voice search. As we progress into the digital age, you need to make sure your website is getting the right type of traffic. Typically, mobile searches are done by local users, rather than web surfers who are far away from the website's physical doctoring location. Voice search is an essential feature for mobile devices. Think about how many times you have used voice search on your mobile device. It could be to ask for directions or to look up the number of a local business. It is important to remember that when people use voice search, they are typically looking for something specific. This is why it is crucial for your website to be properly optimized for voice search. Here are some tips for how to optimize your website for voice search. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. The first step is to make sure your website is mobile friendly. This means that your website should be designed to be viewed on a mobile device and that it should be easy to navigate. If your website is not mobile-friendly, it will be difficult for people to find the information they are looking for, and they may not even bother trying. Make sure your website loads quickly. Another important factor to consider is how quickly your website loads. People are impatient, and if your website takes too long to load, they will likely leave before they even have a chance to see what you have to offer. You can use a tool like Pingdom to test how quickly your website loads. Use social media to drive traffic to your website. Social media is a great way to drive traffic to your website. If you create shareable content, people will be more likely to share it, and this will help you to reach a wider audience. You can also use social media to create brand awareness and build relationships with potential customers. Optimize your website for search engines. Another important factor to consider is whether or not your website is optimized for search engines. This means that your website should be designed in such a way that it is easy for search engines to find and index your content. If your website is not optimized for search engines, it will be difficult for people to find it, and it will not get as much traffic as it could. It's important to reiterate that SEO is an important and ever-changing field. To stay on top of the latest algorithm changes, you need to constantly monitor your website's performance and make adjustments as needed. However, if you do run into an algorithm issue, there are a few things you can do to quickly fix the problem. First, check to see if there are any recent changes to the algorithm that may be affecting your website. If so, adjust your website accordingly. Next, check your website for any technical issues that could be causing problems. Finally, make sure that your website's content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. By following these steps, you can quickly fix any search engine algorithm issues and keep your website ranking high in the search results. Wrapping up, if you see your website traffic start to drop, it could be due to any number of algorithm changes by the search engines. The best way to combat these changes is to continuously monitor your website traffic and ranking data, so you can quickly identify any issues and make the necessary changes to your website. By keeping on top of the latest algorithm changes, you can ensure that your website will always be visible to your target audience. I am Zahiruddin Kurum, a professional SEO, social media manager, data analytics by occupation, and digital marketer. I have been working in this field for the last 6 years and have gained a lot of experience during this time. I have worked with many different clients and have helped them achieve their desired results. I am currently working as a freelance digital marketing consultant and have helped many businesses grow their online presence. I am also a certified Google Ads and Analytics partner. I am always keen to learn new things and keep up with the latest trends in the digital marketing world. I am also a big believer in the power of social media and how it can be used to achieve success. I have worked with businesses of all sizes, from small businesses to large corporations, and have helped them achieve their desired results. My goal is to help businesses succeed in the online world and to provide them with the tools and resources they need to grow their businesses. I have worked as a professional SEO for over 4 years. During that time, I gained a wealth of experience and knowledge in the field. I have helped countless businesses improve their online presence and ranking in search engines. I am passionate about SEO and helping businesses grow online. I am always keeping up with the latest trends and changes in the industry so that I can provide the best possible advice and service to my clients. If you are looking for someone to help you with your SEO, then please do not hesitate